In this tutorial, we will cover right, left, and mid functions in Excel. Please open file 09 right, left, and mid. Excel's right, left, and mid functions are used to extract a specific number of characters from a text string. The left function. The left function returns the specified number of characters from the start or left of a text string. Go and click in cell B2. And what we're going to do is we're going to take out a few digits from cell A2. Up on your formula bar, up on your ribbon, click on the Formulas tab. And in the function library, click on Text Functions. And that'll open up the text functions. Click on Left. And that opens your Function Arguments dialog box, where we can specify our parameters. Text, of course, is bold, meaning it's required. And number of characters is regular text, meaning it's optional. For the text box, go and click on cell A2. Then press your Tab key or click in Number of Characters. By default, it just gets the first character if it's omitted. But let's type in the number 3. That should return 145, as that's our first numbers, which you'll see in the lower left-hand corner for your formula results, gets returned. Go ahead and click OK. And as we can see, you'll get 145. The right function. The right function returns the specified number of characters from the end or the right of a text string. Click on cell C2. And again, go up to the ribbon on the Formulas tab. Look in the Function Library and click on Text button. Go down and find Right. That opens up your Function Arguments window or dialog box, which looks similar to the left one we just used. For our text box, again, click on cell A2. Click in the Number of Characters box, and from the right-hand side, if it's omitted or 1 is typed in, it just returns 1 character, which right now returns a 6. I'd like it to return 4 characters, so type in the number 4, and you'll see down in the lower left-hand corner it says 6206. Click OK. And that returns the right-hand side of our number. Click the mid function. The mid function is the trickiest of these text functions, as it returns the specified number of characters from the middle of a text string. Click on cell D2. Again, go up to your ribbon, and on the Formulas tab, in the Function Library group, click on Text, and look for Mid. Click on Mid, and you'll see it's a little different than left and right function arguments dialog box, as it has 3 arguments and all of them are required. For the text box, again, let's go and click on cell A2. Press your Tab key or click in the Start Number box. The Start Number field is the position of the first character you want to extract. Counting our different characters from our cell A2, you'll see that the number 2 is our 5th character. So for your start number, type in the number 5. Press your Tab key. Next is the number of characters you want to return. Please return 2 characters by typing in the number 2, and you'll see your formula result is 24, which is the middle of our Social Security number. Click OK, and you'll see we get it broken down with our information. If you would, select B2, C2, and D2. Rather than having to rebuild the left, right, and mid for each of our different rows, you can just use your autofill to click and drag down to D10, and it fills in all that information for you. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding of using the right, left, and mid text functions.